Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply edit promotions for your group. So what you want to do is like pretty simple. You just want to go to your groups and you're gonna see right here your group, and you're gonna see it right here, manage group members or edit groups promotions. So that's what we're looking for. Now when you're right here, you can like, okay, general. Now in a group type, you can have restricted or closed. And then guess who can general? Edit group, display avatar, owners and officers, and you can like edit everything here. Like I'm not going to read anything because I think you can read, but Steam creator, franchise creator, page management, admin settings, create edit group announcements, only own officers and plus, moderators, or owner only. You just choose which you actually want. But this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. You can also like comments, like who can add comment. That's really up to you. So have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.